Hello students, good morning. Let us continue the chapter number 10, Internet Online Surfing at page number 124. In the previous class, we have discussed the topics protecting yourself from potential threats on the web like vulnerabilities, spyware, virus, spam, pop-up ad and keyloggers. And today we are going to discuss the next topics under protecting yourself from potential threats on the web. And the first topic is saved password. When we add username and password to log into our account in particular website, web browsers sometimes display a prompt message that offers to remember the password we have written. If we have click on yes and then access the website in future, the web browser bypass the login page and take us directly to the site. Unfortunately, if anyone else who uses our computer can also access our account from the site. And the precautions to avoid the saved password situation. Always click on no when web browser prompt to remember the password. And next is cookies. A cookie is a small text message that a web browser stores on our computer to keep track of websites. Cookies file typically contain the data about us, such as our username, postal code, or viewing preferences. Websites uses cookies for a variety of purposes, and the purposes are most websites that allow for personalization use cookies to track user preferences. Some websites use cookies to store username or passwords so that users do not need to enter this information every time they sign into the website. Online shopping sites generally use cookies to keep track of items in a user's shopping cart. Other websites use cookies to track how often users visit a site and the web page they visit while at the website. Precautions. Some websites sell or trade information stored in our cookies to advertisers. If we do not want personal information distributed, we should limit the amount of information we provide to a website or adjust how our web browser handles cookies. Clear or disable cookies in browsers. Most modern browsers allow users to decide whether to accept cookies and the time frame to keep them. However, rejecting cookies makes some websites unreadable. And next is social engineering. Social engineering is a term used for gaining unauthorized access to or obtaining confidential information by taking advantage of the trusting human nature of some victims. It is the art of convincing people to reveal confidential information such as username and passwords on the phone, in person, or on the internet. Human nature of trust is the basis of any social engineering attacks. Social engineering depends on the fact that people are unaware of their valuable of their information and are careless about protecting it. They obtain information from users who do not destroy or conceal information properly. Phases in a social engineering attack. First is research on the target person or company from website, employees, tour company, etc. And then select the victim, identify the frustrated employees of the target company, develop relationship with the selected employees, and then exploit the relationship, collect sensitive and financial information, and get aware of current technologies. Precautions. Verify the identity of the person or organization requesting personal or confidential information. While relaying personal or confidential information, ensure that only authorized people can hear the conversation. When personal or confidential information appears on a computer or mobile device, ensure that only authorized people can see the screen. Shred all the sensitive or confidential documents. After using a public computer, clear the history in its browser. Avoid using the public computers to conduct banking or other sensitive transactions. And the next topic is netiquettes. Netiquette, also known as internet etiquette, it is the set of rules that users should follow while using the internet. Netiquette includes rules for all aspects of the internet, including the web, social media, internet messaging, chat rooms, and online discussions. Rules: do not write in capitals. It is rude and it seems like you are screaming. Never share your personal detail with anyone whom you met online. Always greet people correctly. It makes you appear friendly. Be polite and do not use abusive and offensive language while chatting online. Never send or post flames which are abusive or insulting messages. Do not participate in flame wars which are exchanges of flames. Don't forward them or create chains. Do not reply a private message on reply all. Don't talk to strangers online. They could be trying to hurt you. Never try to download others' information without their permission. Use abbreviations and acronyms for phrases to make your conversation more interesting. Popular abbreviations include BTW, by the way, FYI, for your information, TYVM, thank you very much, etc. Be discreet. Don't give fake information. If someone bullies you, don't bully back, just block them or report them. And now it's time for the homework. Revise full chapter at home and try to solve the back exercise like take the correct, true, false, fill in the blanks. Thank you.